Hi everyone, this is topic 6, integration of exponential function. For the next video, I'm going to touch about the 6.2, integration of log function, and also 6.3, integration of a trigo function. So before we proceed to the tutorial, I would like to revise back a bit formula about the integration of exponential function. Just recall back, if we differentiate ex, we get your ex. Alright? And if we integrate both sides, when we integrate both sides, I would like to get a formula for integration of ex. Now I integrate both sides. I have my, this side, the right hand side, is the integration of ex, which I want to find. I will write it over here, integration of ex with respect to x. And at the left hand side here, as if that the dx has been cancelled off and the d cancelled off with the integral, we have the ex here. And because of this is an indefinite integral, we need to plus a constant c. Alright, this is the first formula that we need to remember. And the second formula I will derive from this differentiation. If I differentiate e power of ax plus b, where the power is a linear function, I have my a e power of ax plus b. Now if I integrate both sides, I got my dx here at the end of the statement. Alright, I integrate both sides, I have my right hand side to be integrate a e power of ax plus b dx. I'm going to write this at the left hand side, and I'm going to factor out the a. Factor out the a, you have integrate e power of ax plus b with respect to x. And at this side, as if that the dx, d integral we already cancel off each other, we have e ax plus b. And now we can see that we have a here as a coefficient. So I divide both sides by a. Divided both sides by a, I have integrate e ax plus b dx. I divide both sides by a, here I have 1 over a e power of ax plus b. Alright, because of this is an indefinite integral plus a constant c. This is the second formula that we would remember. Okay. And next formula, I'm going to touch about the exponential function, but the base is not e. If the base is not e, for example, I have my base a. If I have a power of x, now if I differentiate, I have my ax log a. Now if I integrate both sides, in order to get the integration formula, I integrate both sides. I have my dx here. Integrate both sides at this for the right hand side statement. I will write it at the left. Then I factor out the log a, because the log a is just like our coefficient. Then at the right hand side we have ax. So integrate ax with respect to x. You have 1 over log a. And multiply by ax plus constant c. So this is the third formula we need to use for the following tutorial. And for the next formula, I will derive from this. Differentiate a power of, if the power is a linear, I use ux plus v. I will have a ux plus v multiply by a log a. Okay, sorry, multiply by u log a. Where comes the u? U is come from the differentiate the ux plus v. I got my u. And don't forget, we need in the formula we need to multiply by log a. Alright, so to get the integration of a ux plus v, I integrate both sides. integrate both sides, you have a dx at the end here. Then I'm going to write this right hand side statement into left hand side. And at the same time, I factor out the u log a. Factor out the u log a because the u log a as a coefficient. Then I have my a ux plus v dx. This is equals to, at this side, everything, the dx and the integration cancel off each other. I have my a ux plus v. Then after that, divide both sides by u log a. Finally, I have my integrate ux. For this question, we have a 4e multiplied by e2x plus 6. So, firstly, I will factor out the 4e first, because the 4e is a coefficient. Then I'm going to integrate the e to the power of 2x plus 6 with respect to x. 4e is a number, just write it down. And integrate e power of 2x, you have e power of 2x, and divided by 2. Integrate 6 with respect to x, you have a 6x. Plus constant c. Alright. You may write your answer. Just multiply the 4a inside the with each term. 4e multiplied by the first term, you have a cancel of the 2, you have a 2e. E power of 1 multiplied by e power of 2x, you have a 2x plus 1. Plus 6 multiplied by 4, ex or xe. Plus constant c. This question, write down the function 4 power of x minus 3, and you need to divide it by 1, which is the coefficient by the x, and divided by log 4 plus constant c. Then you simplify your answer. 4 power of x minus 3 over log 4 plus c. Same as the question before. To integrate this, copy down the exponential function, and you need to divide it by the coefficient of the x, which I differentiate this, the power, I got 1 over 2. I need to divide it by 1 over 2. And divide it also by the log 8 plus constant c. Then after that, we try to simplify. We bring up the 2, I got the 2 multiplied by 8 power of 1 over 2x divided by log 8 plus constant c. To integrate this function, first we rewrite the question into this form, 4 power of negative 2x dx. Bring up the power, you will multiply the power by negative, and then we would like to simplify it. We have a 4 power of 2x. To integrate this function, write down, copy down the exponential function, and going to divide by the 2, because the 2 is when we differentiate the power, we got 2, we divide by 2, and divide also by the log 4. This is based on the formula that we have discussed just now. Then plus a constant c. For this question, I will expand it first. Expand ex multiplied by ex, you got e power of 2x minus 6e power of x plus 3. Expand, and you have 3 separate terms. Now we're going to integrate term by term. Integrate e power of 2x, just copy down the exponential function and divide it by 2. Minus 6, just copy down because it's a coefficient. Integrate ex, you have a ex. Integrate 3 with respect to x, you have a 3x. And don't forget to plus constant c. And check each term, is there any chance to simplify? If yes, you need to simplify. I think this will be fine as a final answer. Same thing for this question. We're going to expand it first. 2e power of 2x multiplied by e power of negative x. We have a 2e power of x. Because the power, when we multiply, the power can be added up. You have 2x plus negative x, you got a x. And this first term multiplied by the 2, you have 4e power of 2x. Next, you're going to multiply negative 1 by this e power of negative x. You have a negative e power of negative x. And lastly, negative 1 multiplied by 2, you have negative 2. Now integrate each term. You got 2ex for the first term. Second term, you have a 4e power of 2x divided by 2 minus, integrate e power of negative x. You're going to copy down the exponential function first and then divide by negative 1. And integrate the 2, you have a 2x plus constant c. Then simplify your answer, you have a 2e power of 2x. Negative multiplied by negative, you got positive e power of negative x minus 2x plus c. Sorry for the question K, I've made some mistake. The mistake that I made is this. When I expand negative 3 multiplied by negative 3, you got positive 9. And here you have a 9x. Right, the answer will be 9x plus c. And the end of this video, this is the question 1. For the next video, I'm going to discuss about the similar question, which the integration of exponential function. Alright, so see you in my next video.